Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Kiki Beats and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a spring slash summer slash fleeky slash bomb AF video. Don't forget at the end of this video to like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit that bell button if you vibing with your girl so that you could be notified every time I update or upload a new video right here from this channel. So without further ado, let's just get into the tutorial and I'll see you guys in my next video.
To realization, and I hope you can take it. I hope you can take it all. I'm so good to you.
So now I'm just going to take my favorite BH Cosmetics brush to blend out this concealer. So guys, really quick, I just wanted to let you all know that this part of the clip, I realized that my camera had died, so I did not record when I was doing my eyebrows. So that's why the video or the tutorial is starting when I'm blending out the concealer. So I do apologize in advance, but let's just get back to the video. I'm going to be taking, yes, my favorite drugstore lip quad. This is the Bed of Roses eyeshadow quad by Wet n Wild. I'm going to take the Morphe 433 brush and I'm just going to take this burgundy shade. How could I forget? Let me prime my eyebrows first. Moving too fast, okay? Moving way too fast. So for these colors to pop, take, I believe, I like the one, okay, here we go. The medium peach by Wet n Wild. Morphe 9C Drill Crew palette. And I'm going to take this shade Rich Girl using that same brush. To go with my Juvias Place Zulu palette. And I'm going to grab my, this is my Crease brush by Beauty Junkies. I'm just going to grab this yellow shade. Okay. Bam! Look at that blend. Woo! Back into my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to grab this purple shade, and I'm going to take my Beauty Junkies crease brush, and I'm going to blend that all into my crease. I'm going to cut my crease using the Wet n Wild concealer in medium peach. Into that Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just going to take that same crease brush. I'm going to dab into this purple shade. I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to grab this pink shade. Oh, it's not up here. This pink shade right here. Make sure your colors transition evenly, so you may have to go back and forth between colors. Right, so I have my Morphe, my James Charles, my Morphe palette. I've only used this a couple of times, so let me see what I can dab into. This orangey shade right here and place that in the inner corner. Same brush. Okay, so I kind of feel like the orange did not come up how I expected because it looks like a really light tangerine. So for the sake of this pink, I'm going to go unleash my inner artist, as James Charles said, in this palette. I'm actually going to go into this actually bright pink to brighten up this eye color. Really go back into the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna grab like this peachy, it's like a really blushy pink. So tempted to do a wing. I'm going to do a very soft liner. Today's foundation, I'll be using the Nars All Day Luminous Weightless foundation paired with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 360. So my brush using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy setting spray. I just picked this up, so this is my first time using this product, so I hope it's worth it. So our lashes are dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply them. For concealer today, I'm going to be using two. I'm going to be using the Ulta Beauty Full Coverage Liquid Concealer paired with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. So spray my brush again to blend this out. Alright, per usual, I'm gonna go back in with my foundation brush to blend out those harsh lines from the concealer so we get a nice seamless blend. I'm going to cream contour, concealer contour, whatever you call it these days, with the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in C18. Go back in with the highlighter brush. Okay. Go in with my Beauty Bakerie Better Not Bitter Flour. So Sorry, I just burped in my mouth. Flower setting powder in the color yellow. I'm actually going to take a Real Techniques contour brush. I think this is. Nope, this is a multitask cheek brush, but I'm going to use it. Okay. I am going to take my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in medium to dark, and I'm going to take another Real Tech, a BH Cosmetics brush. It's like a pointy powder brush, and set where I've contoured. At that nose area. I am going to reverse contour, and this powder I will allow to set, but I'm going to go in with another powder over top to wipe it off. I'm going to go in with my MAC. This is the MSF in dark. Black Radiance Soul Focused Finishing Powder in Milk Chocolate. Absolute fave right now. Same brush that I used to take off that reverse contour powder. So I don't do a whole lot of this. I just simply shake off the dust, and I keep it moving. I'm going to use the Dewy setting spray fixing, because that's what the label says, and I'm going to set my face. Luminosity bronzer in the color Goddess, and I'm going to take my e.l.f. highlighting brush. Okay, get up on them cheekbones, honey. Liquid Suede, and this is in the color Temptress. And then I'm gonna go into my Perfect Tone Matte Lip Cream. This is by Black Radiance. This is my lip for this look. I am absolutely loving every bit of this. We didn't come to play, but we came to slay, honey. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I thank you guys so much for tuning in. All of the products used in this video will be listed down below, and also please do not forget to follow me on social media. All my information will be in the description box, and I will see you guys in my next video.